Hello everyone, today I'll be making okra soup and here are my ingredients. Here I have smoked tilapia fish. I have also smoked beef, and here I have a dry grasscutter, and have king prawn and shaki. I also have locust beans here, my crayfish, palm oil, and green vegetable. Please keep watching as I show you step by step on how to prepare this delicious okra soup. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Don't ask why I say breakfast, because some people like to have swallow. Yes, you heard me correctly. Some people like to have swallow for breakfast. Please keep watching. Alright, in goes the shaki. I'm adding 2 seasoning cubes. A pinch of salt. Just a tiny bit of water. I'm going to cover to cook for about 10 minutes before introducing the rest of the meat. Now it's time to chop my okra. Right. Use food processor to chop your okra if you're not used to the knife. Chopping okra was one of the things I don't like doing as a child, but now I found the easiest way to do it. Where are you watching from? Please don't forget to support our YouTube channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing with your families and friends. Right, my spinach has been properly washed. Now it's time to chop. So we're getting rid of these ones. Before chopping your spinach, make sure it's properly washed. Guys, I washed it up to 4 times just to ensure there's no sound. Where are you watching from? Please don't forget to support the Chukwueze YouTube family by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Alright, the spinach is ready. Right, now it's time to blend my Scotch bonnet, bell pepper, and onion. I'll also be introducing crayfish at some point. Right, now I'm adding some crayfish. You can use blender to blend all this, your pepper mixture with crayfish if you want, but I prefer my okra soup to have to use
What do you prefer your okra soup to use?
to have the rough. I prefer to have the rough blend. Right, look at it now. My shaki. The shaki has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. Now it's time to introduce the rest of the meat. Well, look at this. This is the smoked grasscutter. It's going in. And the air fried beef. It's going in. Now the pepper mixture is going in as well. Additional 2 cubes of Maggi. Bit of salt. And some boiled water. So now I'm adding more water. Stir everything together. I'll cover to cook for additional 15 minutes. Wow, look at that. So now I'm introducing my palm oil manually. I've added 3 spoons. Do you remember the locust beans? Locust beans is going in now. And now, introducing the prawn now, the king prawns. I'll cover and allow to cook for another 10 minutes. Right. Now the okra is going in. The onion as well. Where are you watching from? Please support our YouTube channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Do you remember what meat is this? Please comment down below if you remember. Right. I'll cover for the okra to cook for 2 minutes, then I'll add the spinach. Right, now time for the spinach. My pot is overflowing. Oh, look at this. Wow, did you see that? Everyone is invited for this breakfast or lunch or dinner. Look at the shaki and the prawn, the king prawns. Wow, now the fish is going in. The air fried tilapia fish. Wow. Where are you watching from? Please come quickly. I'll be getting the eba ready now. The pando. The okra soup is ready. Right.